What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the garage. As always, we have a quick video, an easy project here today for my 2012 Chevy Sonic. We're going to be jumping inside the vehicle. We're going to be changing out the cabin air filter. So like I said, those are really easy, and especially in this car, it's extremely easy. We got a cool stuff coming in already. We got a big project coming up just to kind of give you some foreshadowing. We got to swap out the oil cooler. If you have a Chevy Sonic or a Chevy Cruze, you know exactly what that's about. Alright guys, so making our way inside the vehicle. As always, most cabin air filters are inside behind the glove box. So we're on the passenger side. There's my glove box. I'm going to try to do this with one hand, and I was able to do it. Stuff fell out. It's alright, it fell onto the thing. But as you can see, it's super easy. There's these little clips on each side which just hold on to the side of this little opening. And then of course the smooth descent little damper here, that's just held in with a little circle and a little knob down here. But that's literally it. So let me get my light, we'll look up underneath here, and I'll show you exactly where that cabin air filter goes. Alright, now that we can see a little better, it is super simple guys on these Chevy Sonics. Here's your little filter access door, and over on each side there's a little tab which you'll just simply press in just like that, pull out towards you, and the door opens. And simple as that. So now we'll see if I can do this with one hand. Kind of tight, but I can almost get it out. Okay, maybe I can't. Let me go ahead and use two hands. Okay, so I went ahead and got it out. I had to use two hands because that door kind of stays down, and I had to hold the door open while I pull this guy out. And hopefully you guys can see. I'll bring it to the light. But there's a whole bunch of dirt, bugs, and debris inside this filter. Not too sure the last time it was replaced, but we are doing it today. We're doing it right now. So there's that one, out with the old. Go ahead and open up the new one. See if I can do this with one hand, which again, I don't think I can because there's a bag on it. Alright, so here we go. We got the new cabin air filter. I got one of the heavy duty carbon air filters, which filters out scents just as much as it does the dirt and debris. So we'll see how that goes. And on most cabin air filters, it'll have an airflow arrow, which tells you which direction the air needs to flow, which inside most little, I guess you'd say, blower motors or blower boxes, it pulls the air from the top, outside, or from the recirculating valve, and it comes down through the blower motor, and then it comes out. So air goes from top down. So we'll orient the filter as such. Alright, and there we go. We got it in there. Like I said, air flows from top to bottom. So the airflow arrow is facing down. And now that we're in there, simply click it back closed. And that's literally it. I'll go ahead and put the glove box back in. You'll just connect your little damper, whatever you want to call this little thing, down here to this little knob. And literally, you just press these past the little edges, those little rubber bumper things. And of course, just line up the bottom with the little grooves there. So on the bottom, as you can see right there, it's got little holders. You almost do this with one hand, but not really. So just line those little grabbers right here and you're good to go. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, we got the glove box back in. Little rubber bumpers are back in. Little dampeners back in, and of course it's hooked up. Once you throw all your crap back into the glove box, go ahead and close her up. And you are done for today. So as always guys, make sure you guys stay tuned. We got plenty more videos, a lot more involved videos, like I said, with that oil cooler coming up for my Chevy Sonic. That's a very common issue we're going to be discussing when it comes to that oil cooler. So there's going to be plenty more videos that's coming up for this car, and of course with all the plethora of vehicles that I got on my channel. So stay tuned. As always, thank you for watching Everything Avon. I'm Avon. We'll see you on the next one.